Say.
Say.
Come and say hello.
Come and say hello.
Have.
Have.
I have a dream.
I have a dream.
Think.
Think.
I think this is their house.
I think this is their house.
Go.
Go.
I have to go.
I have to go.
See.
See.
Did you see what happened?
Did you see what happened?
Play.
Play.
We are playing on the slide.
We are playing on the slide.
No.
No.
You've got a flat tire.
I know.
You've got a flat tire.
I know.
Take.
Take.
I often take a gift when I visit someone's home.
I often take a gift when I visit someone's home.
Give.
Give.
I'll give you $100.
I'll give you $100.
Come.
Come.
Come here.
Come here.
Find.
Find.
I hope you can find your way home.
I hope you find your way home.
Look.
Look.
Look, the sun is rising.
Look, the sun is rising.
Want.
Want.
I want to eat something.
I want to eat something.
Tell.
Tell.
I can tell you it's not easy.
I can tell you it's not easy.
Put.
Put.
Put the book on the shelf.
Put the book on the shelf.
Become. Become. He's studying to become a teacher.
He's studying to become a teacher.
Work.
Work.
Doctors often work very long hours.
Doctors often work very long hours.
Leave.
Leave.
I'll leave the office at 6:45 p.m.
I will leave the office at 6:45 p.m.
Need. I need to go to the toilet.
I need to go to the toilet.
Feel.
Feel.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Recommend.
Recommend.
Can you recommend a good book to read?
Can you recommend a good book to read?
Change.
Change.
I need to change my clothes before the party.
I need to change my clothes before the party.
Continue.
Continue.
She continues talking without stopping.
She continues talking without stopping.
Buy.
Buy.
It's generally cheaper if you buy online.
It's generally cheaper if you buy online.
Speak.
Speak.
He speaks with a British accent.
He speaks with a British accent.
Stop.
Stop.
Don't you ever stop talking.
Don't you ever stop talking.
Help.
Help.
Help me, please.
Help me, please.
Ask.
Ask.
Why don't you ask his advice?
Why don't you ask his advice?
Write.
Write.
I am writing in my diary.
I am writing in my diary.
Lead.
Lead.
If you lead, I'll follow.
If you lead, I'll follow.
Allow.
Allow.
I allow myself a treat now and then.
I allow myself a treat now and then.
Follow.
Follow.
I like to follow the latest trends in fashion.
I like to follow the latest trends in fashion.